Si Lionheart, true to its name, ay puso sa tao. Hindi lang business yung tingin namin dito. It is very personal. We are not just securing lives. We are also saving lives. Kakaambag kami, hindi lang sa ekonomiya, nakakasweldo yung mga tao, kundi nakikita namin na kakaangat yung buhay nila.
Lionheart is guarding with honor and serving with a heart, which means we are looking forward to more projects that will make an impact to the community.
We should take care of our people first. Yung mga initiatives kami dito na parang alagang Lionheart. Generous kami sa retirement program. May retirement fund kaming binibigay.
We're proud to say that we have long-term people who have been with us for 20 or 30 years. We give them the assistance that they need. We support their families.
We built a training academy dedicated para sa training program. Public forums, we have a venue. We offer for free. Yung sa mga barangay tanods dito in our barangay, mga training programs, isasali namin sila. Yung mga kliyente namin, isasali namin sila sa mga security awareness program because we believe yung security, it is a shared responsibility. Yung tingin namin. Our relationship with Land Bank started in 2020. Nabasa ko sa dyaryo, sa online, na Land Bank nag-o-offer ng programa para sa mga businessmen na affected ng COVID. Yung iRescue program na yun, very instrumental. Land Bank was able to help us through a loan with that program. Naitawid namin yung 2020, nakapagsweldo kami ng December, nakapag 13th month kami sa lahat ng guards. That's why I always have a grateful heart. Tama yung na trying to help us, empowering entrepreneur like me, a Filipino like me, towards a better future. Ako po ay talagang taos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa Land Bank dahil sa maraming pagkakataon na ibinigay sa amin na mapalago yung business namin.